Welcome to Backyard Bitch. I'm Aiden Jones, and I'm the Backyard Bitch. How's this, man? I went around the back the other day, this abandoned house that's just behind us. There's actually two abandoned blocks. There's the one behind us, and then the one next to it, also abandoned, and the fence between the two houses is, like, collapsed. We were thinking about getting chickens and putting them in the backyard of the house directly behind us, because it's like, if no one's there, well, we might as well use it. Maybe we'll buy, like, a big cage, put chickens in the cage, and then have chickens, you know, and have, like, eggs every day. So I went around the back. The house next to it had a light on. I knocked on the door, and there's like a guy in there. I knocked on the door, and get this, there was a guy in there. He said he's been there for 10 years, and no one's lived there for fucking 10 years. Like, every now and then, someone just comes to cut the lawns. I think we're doing it. I think we're getting chickens. The only thing is, I guess everyone's had the same idea, so you, like, can't get chickens in Melbourne now. Everyone's snapped them all up. I'm gonna look at this fucking place, man. Here's the yard. First of all, there's this shed. It's just full of debris and crap on the ground. I thought maybe we could get some chickens in here. I thought this would be a decent place to put them, because on the ground, like, there's no holes at ground level, so they're not escaping. The one thing would be maybe cats climbing through the holes in the roof and eating the chickens. But, like, it's big enough, I reckon. My grandpa used to have chickens in a coop that was, like, this size. This is the house itself. How abandoned is that? Fuck, man. Yeah. And this is the best bit, right? So this is the second house, also abandoned. If you turn around here, a fucking just a dead car. Come on. This place is fucking desperate for some chickens, man. If anyone knows where to get any chickens, man, please hit me up. Or if anyone's got any questions or advice for me, maybe, backyardb69@gmail.com. This is the next phase, dude. Coronavirus is, it doesn't seem like this is going anywhere, you know? No one's renovating their fucking house right now. I mean, imagine if we're stuck in this lockdown for like 18 months. If it's 6 months from now and we're still in isolation and we didn't get chickens, I'm going to be fucking furious. So now is the time, man.
Look at that cunt!
Hi there, Backyard Bitch. I would like to ask... Oh, my name's Clara and I'm from Adelaide. I would like to ask you how I should manage pest control in my garden. Slugs, aphids, other things that eat vegetables. Thank you.
Hey, Clara, thanks for the question. I actually had a pretty similar question last week.
Hey, Backyard Bitch. Squirrel Dog from WA here, long time fan. I was just wondering, how do you keep the sluts out of your garden? You know, I've tried spraying garlic, but no good. Do I just wait for me Lynx Africa to run out? Or what can I do, Backyard Bitch?
Squirrely, man. I have been stressing my fucking ass off about whether to include this question in the show and try and answer it. So, to keep slugs and snails and shit out, I use these Blitzum snail and slug pellets to kill them, because, man, when I first started gardening, I had attack of slugs, and a slug completely ate and destroyed one of my baby marigold plants, and I have never fucking forgotten that, man. It hurt. And ever since then, I'm like, dude, kill every fucking slug that exists. I don't give a fuck. But the pellets don't get all the slugs. So my friend Lo, once again, coming in with the gardening tips, has told me that you can get chilies, put them in water, leave it to sit for like a day, and then put that water in a spray bottle, and you spray that water onto all your plants, and it's not going to kill any pests, but it will deter them because they don't like the taste of the chili oils that are mixed in with the water. It just makes your plants all spicy, and bugs don't like spicy food, you know? They're like white people traveling to Thailand. And Squirrely, as for Your question, I mean, I think you really need to maybe go a bit further than just how do I keep someone out of my garden. Why not ask yourself, why do I want to keep people out of my garden, slut or otherwise? You know, why? What is it in me that makes me want to push people away? And hopefully when you ask yourself that question and really sit down for some deep personal analysis, you'll reach a point of acceptance and understanding about what it is in you that's wanting to push people away. And hopefully when you get to that place, you can move past that pain, brother. And you can get to a place where you're happy to have anyone in your garden, because that's really where you should be. I hope that's where I am. Kill every fucking slug that exists. I don't give a fuck about your family, about your fucking dreams. Die. Die.